Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. So we getting our order at Harris Teeter's, and you already know your girl got to get them groceries, but he was doing his thing. Okay, he was like, you have any coupons? I was like, no. What am I gonna do with those? Do y'all watch couponing? Oh my god, extreme couponing. I love that. That's what he said. Lord of mercy. But anyway, let me let y'all see a little bit of this, a little bit of that with what he's doing. Ooh wee. I know that's right. But this video is so much fun. It has a little bit of everything, and I definitely will bring y'all music, up-to-date music, like I promised. Don't come for me. Okay. So we leaving out, you know, we gotta go to school. So your girl is in camp. Yes, she has got accepted to camp. Go me. Go me. I'm gonna show y'all my certificate that I got for my great volunteering work. Oh my goodness, but look at this. Look at this. This is my new place to go. Other than the water. Oh my goodness, look at this. You hear the bird?
Number two. Number two.
Hey.
Number two. Number two. Number two.
Alright, so I'm about to do this balloon garland for my daughter's school, and this is the box, the electric balloon pump. It just came, see? So it's balloons inside, and it's a banner because she is graduating pre-K. Yes, I have a pre-K grad. So let's cross your fingers for me because it's the first time. You already know I am an active parent in her school and I volunteer. So let's see how I do. All right, guys. So I ordered the, isn't it so cute? I ordered the banner like I told you for her graduation tomorrow from pre-K. And tonight, I wanted this balloon to join me. This $15 balloon. Yes, I'm going to use it. So I ordered the pump and it finally came. And it has a plug. I plugged it in. It was $14.99, $17.99, I believe. My bad, $17.99 on Amazon. I'm gonna scroll it right here on this side, I believe. But look. And it comes with these little things. It comes in this box like this. And it comes with balloon, like, tie strings. So I guess you hold it like this. Like this. And you put it through, but we're gonna see, but I don't know. And then this is the box that the banner came in. So the banner is at school. Oh, it also came with the tie string. That's so nice. And I guess this is for the garland. I have never done this, so y'all wish me luck. Let's try the first one. Let me take a drink.
Hi. I need some water.
So we got perfect attendance today. Yay, thanks to mom. So these are the strings, I guess, to go for the garland. I don't know, this is tape, it looks like. And y'all saw how it's supposed to look. I can't look because my phone is recording me, so obviously I don't know. But I'm trying to figure out what is going on. What is this? What the garland goes on? It's a lot of things. See? So I'm guessing it's this. We're gonna see. But let's start with orange. We're gonna put it on here. Nova, please don't block the camera. Just put it over. Yeah, just wait a minute. I guess you pull it off. said, this is new to me. Let's see
I'll put
how
a
we
red
put
one.
it.
I'll put a red one.
So I'm gonna have to do this later because she is here and I don't understand what's going on. I don't know how to do this. I'll put it around it. Weird.
Mommy, how do I turn the thing off?
I'm gonna just knot it the old-fashioned way because this is not gonna work. I'm gonna tie it like I'm gonna just do it like this. So that's one. Okay, so that's red. So we did two. So we have an orange and a red. We're not gonna do a whole bunch of colors. So let me show y'all what I've done so far. So here's the red balloon. I put them together. And it says to tie the balloons together. I didn't know that. So we spin it around like this. And then we tie it. So I've done, show them, since you want to show them. I've done orange. So we're going to tie these together like so. So we, like so. Okay. Remember, this is my first time doing it, okay? They make it look so easy. Okay. Good, good, good. Oh, it's not even letting me. They make it look so easy. Okay. So this is the string. What I'm going to do is tie the string around it. And we're going to see. And we're going to hook, we're going to leave the top one and we're going to hook this on this one. This is how I'm going to do it. Yeah. Just add it with the string, honey. And then pull it all together. Ooh, look at mommy doing her thing, honey. Ooh. Parent-teacher conference, here I come. Yes, honey. My girl is going to a charter school, yes. Next year, kindergarten. I hope they're ready for her. So look. Hey. So we're going to just tie some more. I guess it has to be tighter, but listen. This your girl first time, okay? Bear with me. All right. I'll show y'all the end results. Press the button. Press the red button. Press it. Hurry up. Okay, how do y'all think I did? Nice. Oh, look at my baby. Congratulations to our pre-K graduates 2025. Woohoo! All right, guys. See y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching.